So this is the Chinese NAC N series EU4 ECU, that's the NNN000830, and it's on MEMS3 Mapper on my research engine simulator on the real engine with the live mapping patch installed, so we can actually just have a look at how you can edit the map with the engine running. So if I just start a live mapping session, you'll see at the moment I've only selected a couple of tables for live mapping, just the VE table and the ignition timing for demo, but you can make any of the tables and all the scalar data as well available for live mapping if you want. So we'll just start up a live mapping session, connect to the ECU and synchronize everything, and I'm just going to start on the simulator. Okay, so straight away we can see where the ECU is hitting the table here, the ignition base map table. You can see the white cells flashing up on the left, and you can see the trace on the curve on the right. The traces that you're seeing on the chart itself, all three axes, X, Y and Z, are all coming from the ECU's lookup functions. So it's not just the engine speed and the MAP that it's plotting and then working out where that gives you on the curve. It's actually returning the values that the ECU is getting. So if we were to change the numbers in these tables, if you see the ECU tracking that, then you know that it's actually using the new map live. So if I was to highlight a region like this and increase, you see to start with it's leaving those traces behind. It catches up very quickly, and that's now using those changed data in the ECU. You can see that. So you can change the numbers with everything running. You know, you can change that to 36, and the ECU will follow it around. And you can see the same going on with the VE table here for the fueling. You know, if I wanted to take some of this and raise those up, you can see how the ECU is now using those new numbers. And just if we look on here, live tables, that's actually showing you the ECU's usage of the various tables in the map in real time. So that's quite interesting. You'll notice the little telltales in the corner, which is sort of long-term average usage, and the main colour is short-term average usage. So it lets you see these things that have, like tables that have recently come into use, tables that have just gone out of use, that kind of thing. So helpful for investigating things like when you're looking at overruns and that kind of thing. Yeah, it now supports everything on the Chinese 00830 ECUs that it used to support on the MG Rover ECUs.